Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go. What we can see on the chart compared to the previous week analysis is that the price had retraced back to previous range area and from there found support for the next move up. Week started with a bearish candle and reached 1.13094 resistance level. At that level the price stayed for 3 days. And then on Friday the price moved strongly up and closed again the week above previous daily candles close. It is the second week that the price finished the week with above previous daily candles close. With the second week with the same scenario of closing price higher than previous daily candles close, we have more confirmation that the price will move up. The price is now in the channel where 1.14000 level is highly possible. We could see the price next week moving around this level. The level 1.14748 is the next strong resistance where we can expect the price to stall. From the current price 1.13613 up to the 1.14748 level is not too far. It is around 100 pips which EURUSD can move in a day, like the last candle this week which had over 70 pips range. Entry levels would be in a bullish direction because the market shifts from the bearish to bullish. All retracements like this one are good to look for entry points next to support levels. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!